Hi all, welcome to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm going to show you how to make an Army and Navy. So this is essentially a riff on a gin sour with the addition, substitution of Orgeat and almond syrup in place of the sugar syrup. So if you wanted to, if you don't have Orgeat, A, you could make it at home quite easily, or B, you could just substitute it for a sugar syrup and just make a gin sour. If you actually hold on to the end of the video as well, I'm going to make a second drink just with different ratios, and I'll give a little bit of feedback on the difference between those and where the different ratios actually came from, what cocktail books. So this recipe here, 2 ounces, 60 mils of a dry gin, followed by 3/4 of an ounce, 22.5 mils of fresh lemon juice, and then the Orgeat, half an ounce, 15 mils. Almond syrup, that's obviously going to impart almond characteristics to the drink. And Angostura bitters, 2 quick dashes. So fill your shaker with ice and give it a quick shake for about 20-30 seconds. And then strain into your chilled coupe glass. And they have the Army and Navy. And here's another one that I've just made behind the scenes. Rather than make both drinks back to back, because they're almost identical, I thought I'd just produce it off camera. This particular one is from David Embury's Fine Art of Mixing Drinks. Different ratios, so he's essentially lowered the lemon juice and the Orgeat. So it's going to be more gin forward, you're going to get more of those botanicals. I just want to do a bit of a side-by-side comparison. I'll leave both recipes in the description below and give you feedback on what I think and what I prefer. And you can try them yourself. I really like this. It's very citrus forward. Get those almond notes. A lot of aromatics from the Angostura bitters. There is 2 dashes in there. It is quite rich. And the second version, so David Embury's recipe. Definitely get a lot more of that gin kick in there. This one displays the gin more. It showcases that, even though there's only slight reduction in the lemon juice and the Orgeat. And I think the bitters takes over on this recipe, and it doesn't on this. It actually adds to it. So I kind of blend the components of both drinks. This is maybe my preferred recipe, but less bitters. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.